Most Python devs know yield. But yield from? That's where generators get truly powerful. Yield from isn't just shorthand. It makes your generator a transparent proxy. When you write yield from inner, Python creates a direct channel between the outer caller and the inner iterable. Every value produced flows straight through, bypassing the outer generator entirely. This is delegation, and it fundamentally changes how generators compose. Without yield from, you need an explicit for loop and a manual yield for each item. 3 lines of boilerplate every time. Yield from collapses all of that into a single line. Here's the before and after. Here's the key advantage over a manual loop. With plain for plus yield, values sent via .send and exceptions thrown via .throwStop at the outer generator. They never reach the inner one. Yield from fixes this with a true bidirectional channel. Sent values flow inward and exceptions propagate through. That makes it essential for coroutine pipelines. Real-world uses include recursive tree flattening, chaining iterables, and coroutine delegation. Yield from also captures the subgenerator's return value. When the inner generator finishes with a return statement, that value becomes the result of the yield from expression itself. This is the foundation of asyncio's original generator-based coroutine design. Yield from delegates to a subgenerator with bidirectional propagation. Reach for it whenever you'd otherwise loop and re-yield. Follow for more Python deep dives. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.